we got a problem. You can see up here, it's unlatched when I do this. But down here, it's still latched. We're gonna show you how to get this door open. Well, I'm thinking right now is I'm gonna have to do something to get this plastic panel off to see what's going on in here. So first things first, I'm gonna have him come around the other side because we gotta take 2 bolts out before we even do anything in here. 9/22 or 7 mil is what's gonna pull these off. So right now, I'm gonna get started. All right, so we got 2 bolts out. There they are, some long ones. So what we're gonna do is set these in a good spot so they don't get lost. I'm actually going to pry this off because we need to see what's going on inside of it. So right now, let's look at that. Without breaking it, there we are. There's 2 push-in tabs at the very top. So these are the push-in tabs, guys. That's it right here. And this is the bottom lip that you have to lift up on. It sits in there like that. So once you get it up and you pry that top off, you got access. You actually can see the top rod right here. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but there's the top one right there. So if I turn this, or if I go, see here, see how it pulls down? And what's supposed to happen is the bottom one's supposed to come up, and that's not what's happening right now. So what I did was reach my hand in here, remove this plastic back, and the rod is right here at the bottom. You can hear it dangling. That means it's not connected. So what I did was literally pull up on it, and that released the bottom latch on the door. So at this point right now, we're going to pop off this whole door panel. Two more clips up here. All right, guys. So now what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna peel this back. So you can't really see what's going on without me doing that. All right, so right now, there's a rod that's dangling. This is the bottom latch. You can hear it moving right now once I pull it up. All right, so that releases it. Well, it's not connected to anything. So we know it needs to be connected to this somehow. I know that there is a hole somewhere on this door handle that it slides into for this to open. The question is, where is it at and how are we gonna fix it to make it stay?
What will happen is this piece will slide out. It's hard to see. This is one of the most tedious things about this. It's hard to show the camera, but this piece will slide out and will give you no door function to open and close it.
What a nightmare and a half. I Afro-engineered it. I took some of this old welding wire, coat hanger, whatever you want like to call it, and we found an opening. Matter of fact, my boy Tyler did. Found an opening around the top of this, and we ran it through there to keep the rod in place with tension. So now at this point, if you look
you could see it. You could actually like see it.
So you actually see it's opening and closing. So let's test it for the folks. Let's see what we're doing. I mean, and guys, you know us, we do whatever we can to get the job done. Guess what? We got the job done. It might not look the prettiest, but it's functional and it works. I don't think this ain't plastic, so I don't think it's gonna break anytime soon. Fingers crossed. Try it out. Oh, look at that, boy. So guys, this door panel is really simple, which is awesome. Thank you, General Motors. So everything's just pretty much push pin at this point. What we're gonna do right now is clip down here, clip over there, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there. A broken clip here. We're gonna line it up. All right. Get everything. Then get a good solid push on it once we do get everything lined up. All right. Right there's feeling pretty good. Right there's feeling pretty nice. So we're gonna go one side, go to the other side. Let's see. I think I'm at it right. There. This needs to come over the outside of the lip here. And that will fight you a little bit, but see that? That needs to go over the lip, snap, snap. All right, guys. Go through up here, snap, snap, snap. We're gonna take the door cover, we're gonna snake that through. We're gonna lean this back here, the fat part towards the front. See, once that's in there like that, just tuck the bottom in first. Snap, We're in. Let's line these up, make sure. Get the light in there. All right, they all lined up. Line up. Line it. All right. Another project done. On that note, your boy Big Reek here, your man Tyler right there. Oh, look at that boy. It feels like he get in the back seat and actually clean himself up now. That's Big Holland.